just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
Yep, got some rain puddles going here in California. It's, let's see, a little gloomy, a little cloudy, but that's all right, it's gonna go away. We are getting everything pretty much is back together. Oh, got a different wing on the car, different wing stand. We will not have a camera on the back of the wing. If you watched the last episode, you saw that we lost that brand spanking new GoPro. She gone, and the aggravating part of that is we only got the footage up to stage and we didn't even get to run. But hey, it's all right. It's just a camera. We will get this thing ready to go for Q2. We're currently setting number 6. We're gonna go out here and have a better day than we did yesterday. Let's go. So we were supposed to run at noon. Drizzle, off and on all day. So it's been a hurry up wait situation, but we are now ready to go. Go up here, we're going to try to make a clean run. No more problems. All right, cars are rolling up and we're about to do the same. Let's do this. All right, guys, we're rolling up for Q2, but it's actually going to be the last qualifying run because of all the rain today. So we are going down the right lane this time. We got it tuned up pretty good, it's what Jimbo and Nikki told me. So we'll see what it does before we give it a go. We'll see what happens. Let's go take a good quick, fast ride, guys. Let's go.
What's low going to be, Zippy?
Probably
7 flat.
Here we go! Let him in! You don't think you'll see 60? Have you met David Drubnik?
don't know what it did. It felt okay leaving. The button worked this time. They cut me off. So we'll go into race day. That's all we can do. We'll keep working at it here. Ain't nobody else I want to be working with other than this group right here. They're bad to the bone, and I love each and every one of them. They're the best. Okay, so that run put a cylinder out. This thing's battling us a little bit. It's after us. We're not doing what it wants to do. It's trying to tell us something and we ain't figured it out, but I promise you this, Jimbo and Nikki will figure this thing out, no doubt about it. So we are not really completely, we won't completely put it back together tonight, but we'll put rods and pistons in it, leave everything loose till in the morning. Once we see the weather, once Jimbo sees the weather, he'll make a decision on the head gasket call, and then they'll bolt the heads on, supercharger on, all that sort of thing. At this very moment, I do not know where we qualified, but I will let you know. So I don't know who we're racing yet. But it went from dark, gloomy, crazy to sunshine. California. What was that look for?
No, just looking at Mr. Clay Milliken. He's gonna rip tomorrow.
I was just saying, I don't know who we got, but it don't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. And we're gonna be first pair national anthem.
Exactly. Does that mean we qualified number 9? Oh, you don't know?
It doesn't matter who we got.
Doesn't matter.
1, 2.
All right, back at the hotel room, snuck out, prima donna driver, went and had some Farmer Boys, ate a big old salad, and finally looked at Elimination Ladder. It looks as though we are running Antron Brown. He ran a whopping 380. We ran a whopping 390, and we're 8 and 9, which probably means we'll be first pair. And at the moment, I keep saying and a whole lot. At the moment, looking at the weather, because they moved us up to a 10 a.m. start instead of 11. I don't know if they're worried about weather again tomorrow, but temperature is showing to be 49 degrees at 10 a.m. in the morning, and I'm pretty sure we will be the first pair down the racetrack. So the way they do the pairings, the number 1 qualifier gets to choose. Do they go first, second, third, fourth, whatever? 8 pairs of cars. So the last people that get to pick is the number 8 qualifier, and somehow that always seems to work out to where you are the first pair of cars down the racetrack. And it's funny, Jesse said that, and he didn't even know where we were qualified at, neither did I at the point. So, Antron it is, it looks like, according to what I just looked at on the old interwebs. Anybody out here can lay down a number. Track's been tricky this weekend, the car's been tricky for us. So, we'll just go out there and get after it and have all the confidence in the world in what Jimbo and Nikki are doing. All the kids working on the car. Jesse's been on it. It's drag racing, man. This thing is, it's a beast. And sometimes when you're not listening to it, it'll let you know. And right now, we're just not listening to what it's telling us. But Jimbo's like the car whisperer. I feel good about it. Racing Antron. He's a good friend, good buddy, and a heck of a race car driver. All that being said, appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. Before I say the last thing there, don't forget we've got new merchandise on the website. Links in the description. Really simple. If you can spell my last name. A lot of people struggle with that. ClayMilliken.com. All kinds of cool merchandise, and just so you know, that money goes to animal rescue. That's what we do with it. Anyway, see you in the next one. Let's go. Stomp on that loud pedal tomorrow morning.